Very long if statement in Python. I have a very long if statement in Python. What is the best way to break it up into several lines? By best I mean most readable/common.
According to PEP 8, long lines should be placed in parentheses. When using parentheses, the lines can be broken up without using backslashes. You should also try to put the line break after Boolean operators. Further to this, if you're using a code style check such as Picata style, the next logical line needs to have different indentation to your code block. For example,
here is the example directly from PEP 8 on limiting line length.
If you want to see more